So friend, this is my online network blue sky channel, and today I have discussed about driver. So what is a driver and why using computer driver and how many type of driver. So let's understand and complete this understand about driver related systems, and very important for you because lot of people not know about driver related video, okay, and driver related information. So let's start this video. So computer have a lot of process and a lot of work and in generation time, and smart computer is especially to server type and high level computer configuration type system. So driver, what is a driver? Driver is a very important part of a computer for devices and system. So any computer work and communication by driver, and without driver your computer not communication with another computer and another devices, just like switch, hubs, routers, mouse, keyboards, web cameras, and the sound driver, and lot of extra devices, external devices. So now about our driver, more commonly known as a driver. A device driver or hardware driver is a group of files. You understand? Device driver and or hardware driver is group of files, one type of programming files that enable one or more hardware devices to communicate with the computer's operating system. So communicate your operating system only your hardware by driver main of driver files. Without drivers, the computer will not be able to send and receive data correctly to hardware devices. Without drivers, you cannot send any receive data correctly hardware devices such as printer, mouse, joystick, mobiles. Okay, so you are connected with your computer. You connect your printer by your driver. So complete, but without driver, you connect your printer, so not showing and not communication printer in your computer. Mouse, your mouse directly insert and automatically not start because your mouse insert via USB or wireless USB adapter, so automatically file install in your computer and showing a mouse point. Okay, joystick one type of a game pad option, game pad gaming and gaming type devices, game you can play game. So it is using by joystick system and joystick related mobiles. Okay, mobile, what is a mobile? You connect anytime any mobile. Okay, mobile just like lava, just like you enter your Samsung, you enter Micromax, you enter Vivo, any other company, one by one you can connect your computer, so automatically install one by one driver. Okay, because one driver another driver to other different type different driver, and you enter external type devices just like external hard disk, SSD, some external other type devices and technology enter your by your computer. So it is one type of showing in first install your driver. So I am discuss about only Windows 7 means the main system driver. What is the system driver? System driver is important for your operating system because operating system have connect a lot of devices just like your CPU, your RAM, your hard disk, and a lot of protocols and your BIOS system. So Windows, Microsoft company, any company create operating system, and 75% driver already system packages, system group of file already add in operating system already by default setup in operating system. But lot of people not know about because motherboard model number different was available in your computer, because I'm using Intel motherboard. Some people using a gigabyte motherboard, some people using Intel motherboard and other Asus type motherboard. In this reason, different model wise, different category wise created some protocols and systems, and their functions and importance from technologies. So why this driver of how this working in your computer? Because computer have a lot of options available in your connectivity, just like internet. You connect computer internet by your mobile. Some computer connected by broadband connection. Some computer enter by router. Some computer connect by wireless laptop wireless technology using some Wi-Fi technology using computer, and this system using by a lot of driver different files available in uh, internet. So operating system, how this possible in your computer know about drivers, because driver is one type of file of group, and file how working, just like I'm just showing you. I'm going to right side my mouse, so how computer identify understand. So my mouse outside, I'm moving, in left side moving. This is a system driver, system main operating system driver, and control these my devices by my mouse driver. Okay, system driver and device driver, different type drivers, but work with only main of communication hardware, main computer of your operating system. You connect any your devices by your motherboard. Okay, without motherboard you cannot start your connect. So any your pin connect, any your devices connected by motherboard. So it is a main point of how you work in your motherboard, your other external device. So just like your mouse, how you can control and how, because driver is instruction give communication by operating system. Okay, so driver main import and send and receive data correctly for hardware related. So without driver, not hardware complete communication, and without hardware, not completely communication with driver. Okay, so motherboard model number, first understand about you want driver. Okay, so I purchase new motherboard, you have purchased a new type computer. So first understand about motherboard model number. You are your enter system driver. You are enter you want to download a system driver. So motherboard number, model number first, and in two options available, motherboard 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, so what is a 32-bit and what is 64-bit? I am already created video 32-bit and 64-bit related. Watch my in this my playlist. Okay, technical and tips playlist inside. Find out what is a 32-bit and 64-bit. I am already very deeply in detail. I am give information some. So motherboard 32-bit and 64-bit. 32-bit is old type technology and 64-bit new type technology. So in this my operating system 32-bit and 64-bit available in market. Operating system have 32-bit, 64-bit is one type of bit of a powerful your your speed, data traveling, and fast processing of your computer. So a lot of people purchase only 64-bit, and the 32-bit why not purchase, because this is the old generation technology and not for very compatible for this generation. Okay, so operating system create Windows, Linux, Mac OS, any operating system you are purchase, you are install in your computer. So main point is main point is the device your system driver. So system driver you have very important for you. So watch my control panel in playlist device driver video. Okay, device driver video is one type of showing you everything driver related, tactical, how you update your driver, what is the driver, different type system. Okay, so computer management, computer this video very important for you. Okay, so watch my video part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. In this computer management control panel, I'm already created this video, very important for you understand about driver. So I'm just showing you can see driver, and third is second is a device driver. What is a device driver? So computer you are connect to floppy disk, you are connect to your mouse, projector, some USB hub, some you are create a new type, different type, graphics card. So how your computer work in your device in computer. So main point is the device driver. because device driver without the device driver is one type of communication with computer to your main computer motherboard hardware. Okay, so I'm purchased new type of your this type of mouse. Okay, an old generation type mouse I'm remove. So first I'm connect computer, so automatically USB through install this my device driver. Okay, so any you are enter new type of devices, so first install driver. So in I am already some told you about the device computer manager video. So what's my playlist in find out computer management video. Okay, so sometime your device driver first important about sometime your manually device driver install. So first find out device model number, any your printer device, your Wi-Fi adapter devices, any devices. Find out and search on your Google Chrome and internet through. And some device you have purchased, so some CD available, CD DVD drive available, and enter your CD and insert your CD DVD and start and install it. Okay, so this is one type of showing device driver is very important for your open your CD DVD folder in your computer and click on install different device files available in click on setup only. So automatically install your device driver. Okay, so I'm I'm give example. I'm purchase this type new projector. Okay, and I want connect this my computer. So how this communication my computer to my this projector. So these support USB system, so automatically maybe connect, but maybe some HDMI cable through some communication through. uh, so I want first install driver in my computer and after connect by cable in my projector. Okay, so automatically connect in by driver system. Okay, so how this work in a driver, because device need instruction and computer need communication. Okay, so communication create and device instruction created by device driver, and device driver in system device. So device driver is a new type devices just like your your web cameras, your CCTV cameras, your projector, your mouse, your keyboard, your USB pen drive, your flash drive, any you are install new external drive insert in your computer, so automatically by USB install, but some device not install, and the device main important some manually install driver. Okay, device driver. So this CD important for you. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue new topic on technical tips related new topic. Okay, so next time I will continue new topic on this computer. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe, click on like button, and click on bell icon for new notification when I upload new video. So thank you. Have a nice day.